Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by removing clutter that traps dust. Clear shelves and floors so cleaning reaches surfaces. Once cleared, open a window for 10 to 15 minutes to create airflow and dislodge settled particles. Make sure to use microfiber cloths and a vacuum with a HEPA filter. These capture fine dust rather than spreading it. Begin top to bottom, sealing fan blades, light fixtures, then shelves, so falling dust gets vacuumed later. This first sweep sets a clean baseline for maintenance. Once the baseline is set, tackle the harder spots methodically. Vacuum vents, upholstery, and rugs using a HEPA attachment. Make 2 slow passes to lift embedded dust. Then wet wipe baseboards, windowsills, and shelves with a mild solution. Damp cloths trap dust rather than just moving it around. Make sure to launder bedding and curtains at least weekly, because textiles are major dust reservoirs. Also clean or replace HVAC and air purifier filters. Doing these steps reduces repeat buildup significantly. To finish, establish a routine so dust never accumulates again. Spend 10-15 minutes daily dusting high-traffic zones and vacuuming entry areas. Use an air purifier sized to your room's square footage and run it continuously if possible. It captures airborne particles before they settle. Make sure seals on windows and doors are tight to reduce outside dust. If dust keeps returning, check for hidden sources like attic insulation gaps, a clogged dryer vent, or nearby construction. Address those and your problem should clear up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.